AI is creating images like Ghibli, Gemini images in different styles, composing music, and even generating realistic human faces like ours. But have you ever wondered what's the real secret behind this AI magic? That secret is latent space. So in this video, let's understand what latent space means in generative AI and how it actually works. First, what does latent means? Latent means hidden or unseen information. In AI, latent space is where the data is compressed and its hidden features are represented. For example, when you give a photo to an AI, it doesn't just see the face in that photo. It identifies the features of the face like eyes, nose, shape, smile, and stores them as an internal representation. The internal representation is called a latent vector, and all these vectors live inside something is called the latent space. For example, think of a latent space like your memory lane. When you see your friend's face, you recognize them instantly. How? Because your brain stores features like eye color, hair type, or smile shape, even though you can't see them stored anywhere. Similarly, AI stores such information in vector form, and that's what we call as latent space. Next, how does latent space works in generative AI? Generative AI tools like GANs, VAEs, and diffusion models rely heavily on latent space. For example, in a GAN, the generator takes a random vector from latent space as input, creates a new image based on it. Then, the discriminator checks whether it's real or fake. For example, latent vector of 1.2, 0.5, minus 0.9 is the image of a dog, and latent vector of 0.9 minus 0.7, 1.5 is the image of a cat. So basically, all of AI's imagination lives inside this latent space. You will find the concept of a latent space everywhere, in deepfake videos, AI paintings, even when ChatGPT generates responses, like style transfer, turning your photos into Ghibli style artwork, face morphing, transforming one actor's face into another, voice cloning, generating new words using your voice latent representation, prompt to image, converting text into latent form and generating image from it. Latent space can be visualized in 2D or 3D, but actually it's a high dimensional space. Think of it like a galaxy. Every star represents an image. If you move one star slightly, the image features change. For example, nose length, smile depth, or skin tone. In GANs, if you move along one axis in latent space, the smile increases. Move along another axis and the hair color changes. During training, AI learns how such changes affects the final output. Here's something really cool. We can navigate through latent space. Yes, for example, start from a dog image vector, move towards a cat image vector, and in between, you will get something that looks like a fox. That's why everyone calls AI creative. All these transformations happens inside latent space. So, whether you are a content creator, developer, or designer, understanding latent space helps you control AI output better. You can create custom avatars, generate voiceovers with styles, design movie characters, tweak AI generated music. If you are building generative AI apps, understanding latent space helps you fine-tune and train more creative and powerful models. So, next time AI generates a new image or voice, remember, it's not magic. It's coming straight from the latent space, the space of creativity. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue learning AI secrets in simple way.